Want to fast track your career in the Agile world? Then let me introduce you to Certified Scrum Master Training by StarAgile, a course designed to fast track your career in the Agile world. Hi, I am Narasimha Reddy Bommaka. I am a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance and the founder and CEO of StarAgile Consulting. Over the years, I have trained thousands of professionals in Scrum and helped them grow their career in Agile. And today, I'm excited to bring you the best Scrum Master training out there. I know you might be wondering, why should I get a CSM certification? Well, let me tell you why. CSM training is designed to help you get a deeper understanding of Scrum framework so that you can go back, apply new projects, and work smarter, not just harder, to get you the desired results. It helps you to improve your leadership skills, communication and facilitation skills, helping you to guide your teams to work more efficiently. And the best part, CSM is in high demand, as you can see in any of the job portals, and gives you access to jobs with an average salaries of more than 35 lakhs per annum. Now, you might be wondering, why should I go with StarAgile for my CSM training? Here are the reasons I can give you to help make the decision. Expert certified Scrum trainers with more than 25 years of relevant industry experience, lifelong career support, and exclusive networking opportunities. And we have a rating of more than 4.8 out of 5 on Google and 4.7 out of 5 on Trustpilot, with more than 8,000 learners giving us their positive feedback. You can experience live interactive training without using any PPTs for 2 days for more practical and immersive learning experience. And here's what you can take away from this training. A globally recognized CSM certificate from Scrum Alliance, knowledge and experience to be able to go back and implement Scrum framework in your projects, skills that help you stand out in the job market, and the confidence to lead Agile teams and drive successful projects. Still unsure? Let me make it even more easy for you. We are so confident about the quality of the training we offer. If you are not able to clear the CSM certification exam, we will offer 100% money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Register for StarAgile's CSM training and take the first step towards becoming a certified Scrum Master. Want to know more? Please fill the form below and speak to our learning consultants.